This next box, what do we have? What do we have? All right, this one is in all black. Okay. All right, let's check this guy out. All right, take a look here. We got black G10 going on. This guy is also a flipper. All right, take a look. Exposed liners with the back spacer. I gotta tell you guys, the fit and finish on this is pretty spot on. Like very, very spot on. I'll tell you that much. Looks like T8 in the pivot, T6 all around. Got a nice little like design indentation, not indentation, but pattern going on here. Like you definitely feel that. Got a line and 3 dots. Got some holes going on in the blade too. And yeah, let's go ahead and flip this bad boy open. Bam, check that out. So this one has a more aggressive drop point, borderline spear point. I would say the center will have to be a little bit lower for it to be a spear point. Got the logo right there on one side. Got this fuller with circles with holes going on. That's pretty interesting. So it is a D2. It's still a satin finish with a flat grind, which is very nice. And it's also a liner lock. I want to say you have good access to the lock bar here, which is good. It is on ball bearings. Bam, it flips really good. I want to say that D10 makes it so that you can't fail the deployment, right? So the deployment is pretty much going to happen. Let me try to fail it if I can. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance right there. So yeah, it's going to deploy every time, which is nice. Very well aligned right there, if I haven't already mentioned that. Deep pocket carry as well. This one is not reversible. I'm not sure why. Same brand, different model. Right? It wouldn't have been that difficult to do a, same scenario as on this model, right? On this guy. And this one, by the way, I believe is called the, do we have a name for this guy? This one is the Sitivien ST131 folding knife. So I guess they go off of, I guess, numbers, right? Similar to Ganso, I guess, or Fleisa knives. But I'm not gonna tell you, like the quality here, I can see some nice quality, nice fit and finish for the budget knives. Again, these are, according to Andy, in the 25 budget range. So, I mean, for a budget knife, I gotta tell you, this one is gonna be really, really good. Lanyard hole for my lanyard people out there, right? No lanyard hole on the other guys. You do have actually a bar, so it's a little bit different. Might prefer this design a little bit better because it hides the hole into this back spacer bar, if you will. So like that, it's a little bit cleaner. This one actually, you have the exposed hole throughout, and then bam, this blade, gotta tell you something interesting going on here. I like the fact that they did this. This is very unique. You don't see this all that much, to be honest. So that's very nice right there. Let me go ahead and, can you thumb deploy? Come on now, you can do it. There it is. Okay, I feel like the trick here is to push with your thumb and then slide it out like that. Bam, of course, there it is. All right, that thing, I gotta tell you that ball bearing, all right, it's very nice and smooth. It's a drop shotty, all right, it could be, feel like it could be drop shotty, all right, just gotta give it a little bit of a, right. Can we reverse flick? I don't know, let's find out if I don't lose my nail. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge to reverse flick. I feel like if you were a lefty, right, you could do it with your thumb, but again, the pocket clip is not reversible, so there's that. All right, so that is that third knife. I gotta tell you, so far I'm impressed with this brand. These are medium to large knives, so check them out right there side by side. And man, oh man, am I impressed with these knives. I'm surprised, more YouTubers don't talk about these, because these are pretty solid. Again, I don't know the exact pricing for them, but you bet I'm going to look them up in Amazon. I'm going to put affiliate links in the description for you all to check these guys out, because I mean, right off the bat, I am very, very impressed. This last one, I don't know. This one has a lot going for it right there. Very impressed with the blade shape and design on this one. You guys let me know, which one was your favorite out of all of these? Which one did you like the most? Which one were you the most impressed with out of all these? Well, there you have it, guys. Again, huge shout out and thanks to Glory Bound EDC, Andy. There is his Instagram right there. Again, check him out. And you guys know the drill by now. I'm going to go ahead and EDC these one at a time for some time here. I'm gonna reach out to Andy. Hopefully he lets me borrow them for a little bit of time, so I have enough time to EDC them, gather some feedback to share with you all. Right, this was just an unboxing and first impression. I will be doing you a disservice if we call this a review, because I just got these knives for the first time. It is the first time that I'm seeing them, so clearly I have to put them in my pocket, carry them, do some EDC tasks, and come back to you guys and share all the feedback about these knives with you all. So I'm excited for that, especially this last one. I don't know why This one, okay. Me personally, guys, I'm just gonna call it. This one was my favorite. I don't know why. This one was my favorite. Second favorite. These two are the same, so I would call this fourth favorite. And last but not least, this guy right here. So that's it. You guys let me know in the comments which one do you like the most, right? If you haven't subscribed already, this will be a great time to smash that subscribe button, and hey, go ahead and like the video if you don't mind. It does help the video get pushed to a larger audience and the channel grow as well, so more people can find out content, awesome EDC and knife content like this. If you want to support the channel a step further, there is a Patreon link down below, so you can support the channel for as little as $1 a month. If you made it this far, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you all so much for all your support. Andy, you're the bomb.com, my friend. Brother, I appreciate your support and sending these knives for me to check out. I really can't thank you enough. You all have a great day. Take care, and I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.